my goodness, these
Yeah, there we go. Vegan curry. This is the butter chicken.
Oh my gosh.
Organic tomatoes.
Beautiful. Wow, it looks so good. I love your little trailer.
Oh, it's an Al.
Yeah.
You love Al.
All made.
We're playing darts.
Totally. So what do you call this? It's Indian.
This is called Ganji's Grill.
Ganji's Grill. Good name. Oh yeah, there it is. Ganji's Grill. Ganji's Grill.
So roti is a wrap. Is it a wrap?
Roti is a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's like a flatbread.
Okay, cool.
West Indian or South Indian? There's different places.
This is traditional Indian food.
So yeah, it's like everybody eats roti. They have different forms of roti.
Nice.
So it's
And I
like,
do these in here fresh every day.
Wow.
The way they taught us in India, it was called chapati.
like my mom makes every day. She makes roti for the whole family.
Oh my God, you're lucky. This is what we needed on this
make
island
them
is an
for the-
Indian food place to eat.
They make them for their dog.
What?
Yeah, even for the dog.
Their dog eats fresh.
So when I'm
made
reincarnated as a dog, hopefully, then I can be your guys' pet. You can feed me some roti.
roti. It looks like royalty. It sits on this velvet like chair, and there's
What a
like,
spoiled
jewelry
dog.
around.
What's his name, Roti?
His name is Bruno.
Bruno. That's Italian.
Yeah, I saw your video, and like it was for sale, but I hadn't been inside, and I was
That's cool.
googling like, you know, YouTube food garden and food carts, and your video came up.
Oh, wow.
So before I met you or Andrea or even saw inside this,
Yeah.
I saw your video.
Oh, that's
And
cool.
he was serving you beef and lamb.
And it was
and you were
good.
like,
It was
yeah,
it was really good. So
Yeah.
he didn't have it that long though.
That's what
I don't think he did it too long. It's wild that he went back to Italy, huh?
You
Wonder
know,
what he's doing
He
there.
did a lot of work to get it. This, like whoever put in the 4 sinks.
Oh man, it's a
and
lot. It's
This
not-
is it's not even on right now, but this is. I'll be cooking on this next time.
Oh, wow, it's a
This
hot
is the
plate,
flat
like-
top. That's a $1,000 piece right there.
That is sweet.
And the health inspector allowed me to use it as long as.
Oh,
there's
great.
just that
Yeah.
bar. Now that there's that bar.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah,
pretty
cool. Great. Oh, that's
So that'll
excellent.
be like the. Yeah, in your video, he was cooking on that.
That's right.
And
He
I'm
was.
just doing curry, so everything's in crock pots and rice cookers.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
So you're dipping it in flour.
Yeah, so this is how we do it. She taught me. And once you get them all, they're all kind of. You can use a scale.
Yeah, yeah,
do
yeah.
about 1 ounce.
Yeah.
And everyone's the exact same size. And then we get our rolling pin. That one's got a hole.
My mom got that rolling pin from India.
It works. Looks like
It works.
it's an exotic hardwood. It looks like looks like acacia wood.
And I usually let them go a little bit like that, and then they stretch out really
Yeah,
nicely.
it's like a pancake kind of right now when you're rolling it.
Totally.
That's what it looks like, a little pancake.
This morning.
Oh,
So that's how they
it's a
end up.
wrap,
Yeah, that's how
kind of
they
like a
look
flat wrap.
Yes.
Well, that's interesting.
And then we cook them up in the pan and we wrap the curry in that. So I'm gonna make you one of those today on the
Whoa,
house.
that's
like,
awesome.
what gets the most action around here.
Well, what I had yesterday was good too. I had the
That might
curry
go on
butter
the menu.
chicken quesadilla thing,
Yeah.
whatever. Is it? It's not, what do they call that
Yeah,
one?
it was a butter
It is
chicken
quesadilla. Yeah, yeah. That was good.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was amazing.
That's awesome.
I love curry. Eh? I
think
love Indian food.
you like spice?
Yeah, well, yeah, no, yeah, it's good.
I got some kick.
Not like burn my head off spice, but yesterday
right texture.
yesterday was just right. Just like that ginger beer is just right.
Thank you.
It's not too sugary, and it's just the right amount of kick with the ginger in there, right? So you're heating that up.
Yeah, so we get the pan nice and hot,
Yeah, yeah.
and then when I get going, we usually have one cooking, and then we roll the next one in and keep going.
Okay, okay. And you put it in like oil. It's going to be oil.
Yeah, exactly. You put a little bit of oil in there. Sometimes the first one can be a little bit hard to get going. You need to get the right temperature.
Oh, is that right?
on Oil.
Oh,
So we'll
okay.
see. Also the dough, if you overmix your dough or if there's too much water.
Oh, is that right?
There's lots of
So the right consistency.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be very sticky. Like a dough.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it easy to burn it? Can you burn it? No,
It
you-
is.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
it can happen.
Yeah, if they go on too long, they
They'll
become
burn.
hard and they'll crack.
Sticky and they
Oh.
It's like a chip versus a soft roti.
There's a trick to making
There's a
these
trick to
rotis.
making these. So what she'll do now at this point, she'll grate cauliflower and then put another one on top and roll that again. And then when you cook it, you get these layers with different spices and stuff coming
Oh, that's
through.
cool.
I'm not on that level yet, but next summer we will. I'm keeping them
You learned
simple
all the
this-
tricks of the trade from your mum,
Yes, exactly.
right? That's cool.
So I can tell that's a little sticky, so I'm gonna just
For her,
dust
it's
it.
like so easy.
Oh, I know. And she's been doing it since she was a kid,
Yeah.
right? Oh, look at this, like flopping around pizza dough.
So this is how I get customers. I go,
Yeah, you flip it
they
around
come
like a
back and
pizza,
go,
but it's roti dough.
you tricked me with
Roti dough.
being known, so we had to come
Like
back.
dosi dough, roti dough.
Dosi dough, roti dough. You make good videos.
Okay, so now we got that pan nice and hot.
So that goes in, we get right away to the next one, because time is money.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
People show up and are trying to roll.
This is your first food cart.
First food cart.
Cool.
I did culinary school 10 years ago.
Wow, in Victoria, or Vancouver?
Vancouver.
Yeah. Wow, cool. Like I say, my cousin is a chef.
Awesome.
Yeah, the one that was at
Joe
Joe Forte's.
Forte's,
Yeah, him and his
that-
father-in-law at Joe Forte's.
One of the best.
Yeah, and then his
reputations.
father-in-law at the cannery in Mulvaney's.
Wow.
Yeah.
Seafood is one of my favorites.
Yeah, he's Italian, right? We're Italian.
Alright.
This is good. I don't think there's ever been an Indian restaurant on Salt Spring. This is like the first Indian food cart. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's...
And then it starts to bubble
Oh,
up. That's
wow,
how you
look
can
at
tell
this.
it's good.
Wow.
Now
That's
it's-
really interesting.
Now you can add a little bit of oil. It's nice. I try to do minimal oil because it's not good for you, but the oil really helps.
Oh, yeah.
Makes it soft.
So sorry about that ginger beer.
No. You make sure you watch us on my YouTube channel. I should give you my
You'll
card.
notice that roti's puffing up, fresh to order.
Puffing and poofing.
It's puffing and poofing. Do I have a card here? There.
There we go.
That's
I'll
good
give you.
food, eh?
Ah, thank
It's going to
you.
be on
I've done an
Banana
omelet or two with my
JSSI.
baby.
Nice.
Hey.
Here, I'm gonna check it.
You check it out. Because a lot of other people are going to be checking this out. And they're going to want to come here and eat some of this stuff.
Good thing we got it here before.
Absolutely.
Thank you, friend.
Yeah.
Thank
Take
you
care.
So much.
Have a good one. It's good food, isn't it?
Oh, it's outstanding.
Nice to see you again. Have a great day.
Happy customers. There's happy customers.
Good vibes over here.
See you later. See, happy customers. Now you'll see yourself on there.
Nice. Now we got our roti,
Okay, cool.
fresh
Yeah.
to go,
Wow.
and then we're gonna pop that on the pan, and it gets fun.
Oh, this is where you load her up with stuff.
This has been in the crock pot for 8 hours.
Oh my God. So what's in that?
This is a hand blended garam masala.
Oh
coconut
my.
curry chicken.
Oh. Oh,
Coconut
jeez.
milk, different spices. So now
I wish I had smell-o-vision here, folks.
we're gonna make an Indian.
But we don't have smell-o-vision. But I can tell you right now that smells good, and it's going to taste as good as it smells. Look at that.
That.
Wow. I can tell you're a chef the way everything was organized in the place. You can tell this guy's a chef. It's not just slopped on the way I throw stuff on a plate. It was like really nicely
That's why
organized.
yesterday I
There-
was so.
No, it was good.
It was busy.
It was good, man. It was like really nicely organized. Like when I watch these chef cooking shows, it's like, and they're grading you on how everything's put out. It's like, okay, this is like a 10 out of 10 here. You don't expect that from a food cart?
Well, I was gonna say because it's a small space, you gotta be
Yeah, oh,
tight.
it's really
Gotta
not.
be
It was pretty impressive.
Thank you.
Everybody loved their food here. Look at that. See, there's the
That's
presentation.
That's a homemade cilantro chutney.
Oh man.
This is just basic yogurt to help cut through some.
Oh
of the
my
sweetness.
God.
And then this is a homemade tamarind chutney.
Oh, I love tamarind. I eat that fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a bean, and you take the fruits out of it. Yeah, I've grown some from seed too. Look at that.
Street food, Indian style, organic, healthy, vegan.
Salt spring.
This is nice. Look at, oh, that's awesome. Just the way it's arranged on it looks like a bloody artwork on it with a frame around it. This is beauty. Thank you.
love.
Hey, thank you. That's
you so
that's
much.
pretty amazing. And we'll thank that God there too.
We'll get back to work now.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks a lot. Look at that, folks. Come and eat here.
Enjoy.
This is beautiful. Yeah, right in Ganges at the food court. Cheers and aloha from Salt Spring Island.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Cheers.
So when you visit Salt Spring, you come to all these different little food courts,
Wendy and I.
and we have so many of them now. And they're set up, this is kind of like a courtyard up here, but we have them in town. And there's these amazing places to eat.
Cooking. What is the chana masala? I'm sorry.
The chana masala is what I'm cooking right here. It's
Okay,
it
yes.
would be about 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. One.
Oh, take your time. Don't worry about them.
Yes. Yeah, those are.
One chana masala. We got the 2 quesadillas. And I have 2
Nice. Look at their little
Vegan curry.